my name is Jennifer, and this video is for my TOEFL assignment. Today, I'm going to talk about bullying. What is the definition of bully? Bully is defined as a blustering, quarrelsome, overbearing person who habitually badgers and intimidates smaller or weaker people. There are many forms of bullying, such as making threats, spreading rumors, attacking someone physically or verbally, and excluding someone from a group on purpose. Unfortunately, bullying has a various negative effects that may become detrimental for both the victim and the bully. Bullying causes people to become power-hungry and change in personality and behavior of an individual that causes both physically and mental pain. I believe that it is our responsibility to stop and prevent such violence from happening. Only when we work together will bullying be stopped. Bullying can happen anywhere to anyone, but the facts show that the most bullying cases happen at school with students as the perpetrator and the victim. Some of you may take it lightly and consider it as usual thing that happens at school. The reason why it's unusual from some people is because there are too many cases of bullying at school. It shows us that bullying at school is actually a serious problem that requires immediate action before the number grows even bigger. If you are a victim, always remember that standing up against bullying is a must, because it is the only way that you can stop a bully. A bully seeks for a fear from his or her victim. If you never try to stand up against them, their treatment to you will just get worse, because they know for sure that you won't fight back. The first step that you can take is to tell the bully to stop doing whatever is they are doing to you. If it doesn't work, go to your teacher and report the bully. If they treat you even worse after you report their action to your teacher, prepare yourself for a fight. Small bruise on your face is nothing compared to what you have to go through if you just submit to a bully. No one ever expected bullying to happen, especially at school, where the students should actually focus on maximizing their potential, but there is always a possibility for it to happen. Something that we need to learn is how we deal with it when it happens in our environment. We can stop it if we are willing to work together. Some students can fight back when someone tries to bully them, but some others cannot. Bullying is very painful for the victim. The body deserves to be bullied. Everyone has the right to be treated and valued appropriately and fairly. Bullying has a negative impact on the development of children's character, both of the victim and the perpetrator. The example of the impact of bullying to the victim are depression, self-conscious, shy and reclusive, decline in academic achievement, feeling socially isolated. It occurs or even try to commit suicide. On the other hand, if left unchecked, bullies will learn that there is no risk whatsoever for them when they commit violence. Bullying is an international problem and it happens on a daily basis. There are no positive outcomes from being bullied. Therefore, we are all family. As a family, we must support and encourage each other. The responsibility to stop bullying starts with us. By helping to stop bullying, we will also be preventing the creation of future bullies. I'm sorry if my pronunciation is not good enough. Thank you for watching.